Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go old school. Yeah, old school. I'm going to teach you the song Alright by Janet Jackson. Let's start.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's start. So first, you're gonna go to your left. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's do it faster. 5, 6, 7 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, so after that, you're gonna cross 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7. From here, you're gonna go 8 and 1. Again, 5, 6 and go. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump 8 and 1. So we end up on 1. You're gonna bend back twice. 2, 3, clap on 4. From here, you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, isolation to your right. 8. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, cross, cross. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up, 1, 2, 3, clap, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, from here, you're gonna cross 1, open 2, go up 3, 4, head 5, 6, kick, and 8. Let's try 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick, 7, 8. Okay, from here, you're gonna step 1, open legs, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then your arm, 5, 6, let's try 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, you're gonna go back 1, 2, 3, and a 4. So it's like you're sliding back, sliding 4 times. That's right. 7 back and 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Step. 5, 6, roll it. 7 and punch on it. So after that you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and open. 4 and close. 5, 6. Close on 7, open, and 8. Let's do it fast. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 8. And for the last one, you're gonna go double 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. Cross 6, turn around, then finish. Do that one. 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around, 7, and by the way, this one, when you do this one, make sure you open flex like turn out. So every time this one touches the floor, your left one is going up, 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 up. Okay, then your body is stationary. You just use your hips. Okay, that's right. 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, cross, and 7, and 8. Okay, let's combine everything from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, clap, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, 2, 3, 4, 5, kick, 7, 8, step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, step, 5, 6, roll, 7 and 8, up, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, step, close and 8, here we go, 2, 3, 4, 5, cross and 7 and 8, good job. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel and we'll see you soon. Bye.